How to change Control Tab in Notepad++ to web browser style? How can I make Control Tab and Control Shift Tab behave sensibly in Notepad++? I would like these shortcuts to behave as they do in my web browser, EA. Control Tab moves focus to the next tab to the right, Control Shift Tab to the tab to the left. Currently they change tab seemingly at random.
Browse the menu settings in GT, Preferences in GT, Miscellaneous. Look for the box Document Switcher. Uncheck Enable checkbox, that will untick Enable Maru behavior too.
This answer by Luke Scammell has a very full explanation, as well as instructions for creating your own preferred keyboard shortcuts. I prefer Alt plus left arrow and Alt plus right arrow. Note that in the current version of NP++ 6.6.7, the lines to change in settings, shortcut mapper are lines 219-220, about 7 up from bottom of list. Also, Luke includes an auto hotkey macro / script that allows you to retain the default NP++ behavior, but still use your preferred keyboard shortcuts in addition to the defaults.
If you want some orders, please follow Schuberts.